Denied. But it doesn't mean you won't get paid. When a claim is denied, the clock starts ticking. But with the right appeal, denial becomes payment. Start with the facts, analyze their policy, submit documentation, establish medical necessity, demand a clear request. One mistake can kill an appeal. Wrong information, weak evidence, missed deadline. Get it right. In the demanding world of healthcare finance, collaboration is your key to success. Master every challenge in the revenue cycle and lead your team with absolute confidence. Draft better appeals. Recover lost revenue. Get paid faster. Register now at audiowebinars.com.